solution out of this. 100 posts or something.
Yes. So I have a suggestion, Lord, this petition.
What is the
disposed
suggestion?
of.
Yes.
So there are, Lord, 10,700 vacancies. As per the,
Take a quick solution.
10,700.
All are agreeable about this.
I can just, I think they will all agree.
If we get a job, we are agreeable.
Let me indicate that probably they will.
And the jobs are now very scarce because the appointments have been made.
There are
Tell us how to resolve this. Tell us.
10,709 vacancies are there.
10,709, correct?
As per the list, Lord, of the state so far, 8182 have qualified. 8182.
8182.
But
8182 qualified then.
8182. So now remaining vacancies are 2,600. 2,500 and something.
Vacancies. Then
There are Lord, 800. 100 were there, and there are 700 who have come in Lord intervention.
what we
These
did.
people can be considered for the if they have qualified under the unamended rule, Lord. If they also
Qualified persons have taken up the job and Patwalia's clients are working.
So I am not. There is a small.
Patwalia, your clients are working.
my lord, no, my lord.
No.
What has happened is, Lord, let Mr. Singh clarify, I'm not the qualification under the 18 rules or 23 rules.
I'm explaining that. I'm explaining.
Yes, that is
I'm
important.
explaining that. I'm explaining that. So your lordships have already, as an interim measure, permitted us to join. There are 600 people who have.
You are the ones who took the examination.
23.
Yes.
There are 23 ones.
I am saying, my lord, that the other people for whom your lordships have kept 100 vacancies, now 700 more people have come. There are about 2,500 vacancies still remaining. They can be looked at by the state by the unamended rule. If they make it by the unamended rule,
That we will ask. Mr. Diwan, you are also appearing.
Yeah, in my case, I have the advantage of the 14th May order of your lordship.
they have been appointed.
We've been appointed. So
My lord, we have objections to that appointment.
Who is for the state? Where is this? We are looking for you, Manish.
If it is acceptable to the state,
We'll just see.
My lord, the 14th May order is misconstrued.
Permit us to just listen to what the state says.
My lord, my submission is the figure that has been given regarding the remaining vacancies. It's may not be possible to fill up on these posts of all these candidates because only 100 seats have been kept for all these writ petitioners and applicants. The vacancy which is reflecting, these are the vacancies of different category, like OBC, SC, ST, the candidates have not been found. The handicapped people candidate have not been found. So all these vacancies, because if your lordship see this chart, all the general posts have been filled up.
No, that's also not correct.
Wait. We are not taking anything for granted. Just wait.
All the general posts that has been filled up, only 100 posts have been kept vacant as per the direction of your lordships. Now the vacancy that has been reflecting is only with respect to the other category for which the suitable candidates were not found.
So what's this? What's
So
what's the stand of the state now?
For the 100 vacancy, I have no problem in considering all these writ petitioners and the applicants.
How are there more than 100 here?
Yes.
Only
Because
100
writ petitioners,
Completements have been found here for the first time.
writ petitioners were all together 74, 75, and therefore I made in a statement that 100 posts I will keep vacant. Now there are.
Then perhaps increase because your total number of vacancies are 2,600.
If your lordship pass an order that no further intervention application is filed, then I will calculate all the
How
eligible.
many are here?
I have not.
About 749.
Can you just do some exercises?
749.
Your lordship has
With-
treated today.
Preach today that no further application.
Position today, then on that position, let them do the.
And my lord, to clarify, my lord, that it's so the vacancies are concerned, it will be the general too, because it's not necessarily.
Permit us to just interact with the
Very
state
well.
for some time.
Very well.
So if we, as you suggest, we freeze the no further interventions,
Miller.
no further, we would say that. And you will take into account in all these petitions, the number of petitioners are there and how and in which manner you could accommodate them. Just have a look at it
Miller.
and tell us.
Yes.
And there
That
is
I will do.
One
In
more
about 2 weeks, you will be able to tell us, 2-3 weeks.
Yes, my lord. Only I will request the nodal counsel for the petitioner and respondent to give me the list of all the candidates who are here.
One small thing, Lord, he should consider. Out of 8-1, Lord, 86,
82.
8182, they have appointed only 7586. We are in this 600 who are Lord remaining. If your lordship will just see the second last and the second last column. 8182
That's gonna happen.
and
We
7586 have been appointed.
constitute a team of senior counsels and lawyers, including the standing counsel for the state of Bihar, to resolve the issues arising for consideration. वो नाम लिख लेना Mr. Giri Saab ka lena, Mr. Vikas Singh Patwalia, Mr. and Mr. Diwan is anyway out. He's happily out. And state ka le lena. And who were the nodal council?
Millard.
Okay.
Millard,
Okay. And okay.
Manish Sharma.
Or advocates, the nodal council will coordinate with all others and give to the standing council for the state the list of the petitioners who are before this court.
Petitioners and interveners.
Petitioners and interveners who are before this court. Stop. The state shall examine uh, the employment position and also consider accommodating these petitioners in the existing vacancies. This is all tentative. You will apply your mind. It is also in the view of the matter for the purpose of resolving the issues arising for consideration. It is necessary to direct that there shall not be any further applications for intervention. Okay. The relief to be granted will be confined to the petitioners as well as the intervening applicants before this court and no further. That will not take, sir.
Millard, may also Lordship consider, Millard.
Read petitioner before the High Court. Your Lordship, read petitioner before the
Include them.
Respondents before this honorable court, my lord.
Also, then who will give you the list of the?
And Millard, this one.
Lord, all the read petitioners before the High Court, they are in SLP here. So parties are, please.
Okay, this will cover everyone.
Respondent.
Respondent.
Respondents before this honorable court.
This will
Millard should
include,
also
this will
consider, Millard.
include, these will include writ petitions, these petitioners before the High Court
Yes.
also.
Millard, if Lordship consider
Yeah,
even
respondent.
the appointment of the 14th, because this is all tentative. Supposing we cannot be accommodated the objection, the appointment of the 14th we kept open, Lord, for consideration.
Let me just see. Okay, list this matters after 3 weeks, 2 weeks,
3 weeks.
3 weeks okay, for further orders.
DP of the great.
Just you work on it and why we have said is that for coordination, so that all of you can just sit for a minute, sit in the consultation room, all for a cup of coffee, resolve it, help him, and we'll just pass orders on your recommendation.
But may I just clarify one thing, my lord?
Right.
We could of course come back on the next occasion, but otherwise your lordship that the appointments made pursuant to the interim order of this court of 14th May, they be made absolute.
Millard, absolutely, no, absolutely. Millard, we have got very.
Not at this stage.
I have not passed.
Very good, very good.
All right.
That's the reason why, Millard,
Taken for granted. We'll do that. We will not ask anybody to go home.
My lord, I'm seeking permission to permit my law. आइए my lord. आइए my lord.
Look, this
May I
actually,
please your lordships.
actually